What's up YouTube? It's Gio from Robinhood Investing once again. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. In this channel we like to talk about stocks, options trading. We also like to make tutorials for newcomers on Robinhood, and we also like to do daily portfolio reviews. Now let's get started everyone. Alright, let's see how we did for the day. For the day we're up 0.87%. For the week we're up about 7%. 1 month chart we're up about 30%. 3 month chart we're up about 80%. And for the year chart, looks like we're up around 104%. Let's take a look at our calls. All right, let's see IPOC. If you're not familiar with IPOC, it is a SPAC that will be merging with Clover Health. This is one of Chamath's SPACs that he's working on. And currently on the call, we're up 140%. Dropbox finished, the call finished green again today. And currently on Dropbox, we're up about 55%. And for this call, school, we still have a little bit over 2 years, so that's good. Tesla's had a first rough couple of days in the S&P 500, but it looks like they rebound nicely today. Finished about 1% in the green today. Overall, we're up 8.48%. NEO, another player right here. NEO is currently up 1.25%. You guys want to check out the channel? I made a video on NEO and 2 other growth stocks that I believe they have massive potential in 2021. If you guys are interested, check out the channel. Space. This is honestly, I'm kind of pretty shocked of what Space is doing right now. If you're not familiar with Space, it's basically Virgin Galactic, and they're all about space tourism. And they took a massive dump, I think last week. They sold off quite a bit because of their test flight. It kind of failed. They had to abort it. And this stock out of nowhere has rebounded nicely, despite there not being any kind of news out there about a potential second flight in the works. So this is quite surprising, but regardless, I'm still very, very long on Space. It's good to see that they've rebounded despite not having any news to rebound, but who cares? We're doing well so far. And for the year, we're doing about 39% on Space. MP Materials had a bit of a pullback today. Overall, MP Materials is on a very, very strong run so far this year. If you guys want to check out the channel, I've also made a video on MP Materials. I believe it could potentially be a 10x stock. And yeah, they've had a nice run this entire week and month for that matter. So it's nice to see a nice healthy pullback. This is normal, guys. Never be worried when you see this. It's all part of the market. And next we have Palantir. I've also made a video on Palantir in case you guys want to check it out. I am incredibly bullish on Palantir for 2021. I see massive things on the horizon for them. And currently we're up 11.29% on Palantir. And you guys can check all my videos of how I talk about cellular bioscience stock that I have here. I've mentioned how I do not have conviction on penny stocks. I said don't invest a lot of your capital in penny stocks. It's all speculation plays to like the 100th degree. And this stock, again, it's a penny stock that I bought. Has a 100% buy rating. I've heard good things about it, but again, you should never ever invest most of your portfolio on penny stocks. Prime reason is they incredibly volatile and incredibly uncertain companies. For that reason, it's only 0.29% of my portfolio. It's something to play with. Overall, it dumped so much today. I say about 27.6, but the thing is, it's basically only $100 we put in there. Negative 1.47% on that play, so it's fine. Apex Technologies, they have been in a very, very nice run of late. If you guys check my previous videos, I mentioned that I believe that Apex Technology might have a run prior to the end of the year, and it looks like they're having that run. Currently up 10% for the week, and for the month they're up 48.74%. Currently we're up 7.58% on Apex Technology. BFT, a company that I'm very bullish on. They will be merging. There's a SPAC that will be merging with PaySafe. PaySafe, if you're not familiar with PaySafe is, it's basically like a digital payment service, much like Square or PayPal. Currently, we're up 9.59%. INSEEGO, my last play. If you guys checked out my video yesterday, I mentioned how I had tremendous conviction on INSEEGO. I've even made a video about how I believe INSEEGO could potentially be a 10x play. You guys can check that out on the description down below. And INSEEGO had a massive run yesterday. Finished, I think at the highs, they were up over 20%. And so far, second largest holding, we're up about 23% on INSEEGO. My last play is on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is another video. I've made a couple of videos on Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is a currency, digital currency that I'm incredibly bullish on. I've also made a couple of videos on Bitcoin. You guys can check that out on the channel. And currently, for the lifetime of the play, we're up about a little bit over 13%. And yeah, that is my portfolio review for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, consider subscribing, liking, commenting. I greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.